Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will see how to do web scraping using Python. So if you are willing to scrap websites, you can follow this example and see how you can scrap websites using Python. So there is a very popular library that is Beautiful Soup, which is used to scrap websites in Python. Scrapping is a very interesting topic but serious as well because it is not a legal work until website owner allows you to scrap it. If you still doing it, will be completely your responsibility. I am going to show you how you can scrap a website using an example. I will be storing the data in CSV file, but you can use database as well to store the scrap data and use it wherever you want. This is an example I am showing you here, which you can refer as your starting point and try to scrap any website if you want. But as I said, it will be completely your responsibility. So don't do that without any permission and will be completely your risk. So let's go through one by one the line of code I have here to show you. As you can see, we have Beautiful Soup class from BS4 module. Now importing request module. Request module is used to interact with the REST APIs. If you are going to use any REST API or something to integrate that in your program or website, then you will need to use request, and it is very helpful, easy to use to interact with REST APIs. You can make get request, put request, post request, whatever you want, you can do that using request module. Now then I am importing CSV writer from CSV module. Now importing time module, and here I am giving blog underscore data.csv as the CSV file name and opening it in write mode. New line is equal to blank, I mean nothing. Then giving is as alias as CSV underscore file. Now inside this, I am creating an object of the writer of this file. This is the CSV header where I am going to store title, URL, and date from the website. Now I am initializing page as 1, and this is the while loop, and it will keep running until it receives a false or break it. We manually break it. So the URL I have used here, please don't use. I have just used it for your reference. So as you can see, suppose this website has more than 1 pages. That is why I have used page is equal to 1. I initialized by 1 because the first page will be 1 and the subsequent pages will be until it stops getting what we want. I mean the data that we are scrapping. So I am also giving this page argument here in the format so that the URL complete URL will become like /blog, then page is equal to 1. Now I am giving this page URL in the request.get to receive its complete HTML string. Now I am using Beautiful Soup and passing the response.text. So because in the response.text we get the HTML response from this line and parsing it using HTML.parser. So in this variable we will have an HTML string object which I am passing it to find underscore all then article. Actually in the received HTML we have article tag. So this is the tag name. I am going to find all the article tags and saving it into articles. Now taking the length, how many articles found. If it is 0, it will break, otherwise it will go further and looping through each of the items of article, like how many tags we found. And then inside the article tag we have anchor tag, and I'm getting the anchor tag object here. Then from the anchor tag I'm fetching its attribute, that is href, and then getting the text of the href. And then from the article tag I'm finding the time tag, and this is the time tag object. From the time tag object I'm picking the date time, and then I'm writing the row. So we got title, URL, and date time. So I'm writing it through the CSV writer. So this line of code writes a new line in the CSV. After that, I am incrementing page by 1 so that we can go to the next page if it has more than 1 pages. And after scrapping 1 page, it waits for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it goes up again, and now we have 2 in the page because we have incremented it by 1. So now here we have 2, so it will scrap the second page. It will keep fetching the articles tag in the subsequent requests or until it gets all the pages. After fetching all the pages, it will break because it will not find any article. So this is an example which you can take a reference and start with scrapping in Python, and hope it will not be, because it is not very difficult to start with. As you can just copy and paste this example and start using it as an practice, and hopefully it will solve your problems and you will be able to do the scrapping in Python. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel.